How to register Shein account. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. First of all, make sure that you have installed Shein application in your device. Open it once you do so. And here you will see a sign in button. Tap onto it. Now as we are about to create a Shein account, you can tap on continue with Google, your Facebook. In my case, I'm gonna go ahead and enter my email address or my phone number and tap on continue. And once you enter your email address, you have to create yourself a very strong password. Make sure that your password is at least 8 characters, at least contains 1 letter and a number. Once you do all that, you have to tap on register. And at this page, enter your phone number, tap on enter, and you have to enter the verification code that will be sent to the phone number that you will enter. Once you do so, tap on submit. Now as your registration was successful, you will get landed onto your account. Let's go ahead and tap on me section. Here you can see your email address. If you tap onto settings icon, you can also edit your name. Tap onto your name. You can also set a nickname, add your bio and your preferences. And just like so, this is how you can register for a Shein account. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe.